Apple's iTunes program can become very large depending on how much music, videos, and podcasts that you put inside of it, not to mention all those apps for your iPhone and iPad. If you have too much going on in your library and like to move some of that space off of your main hard drive, there's an easy way to do it. This may be especially popular for you laptop users, since laptop hard drives tend to be smaller than desktop hard drives. The first thing you'll want to do is find out where the home location of your iTunes music folder is. By default, for Mac users, the music folder contains the iTunes folder. To find the music folder, you'll need to be in your home folder, which is the folder that usually has a little house next to it inside Places. When I click on Music, there it is, iTunes, and inside there are all the things that make iTunes work and organize all the different libraries. For desktop users on the PC side, your folder is going to be in a similar location. It's inside the My Music folder, which is also near the My Documents and My Pictures folder. Inside there, you'll find the iTunes folder. We're going to copy this folder and move it to another hard drive. In this case, we're going to use an external hard drive. So paste it in. I now have a new iTunes folder here on my external hard drive. If I double click on it, I can see all the music that I've moved over and movies and everything else. It's quite a bit. But that's just the first step. The second step that finalizes this is to tell iTunes now where the new location is. So, open up iTunes, go to Preferences, and you'll get this little window here. Make sure that you're in the Advanced tab. Should be on the far right side. And you'll have a little folder here that says iTunes Media Folder Location. I've already changed mine to using an external hard drive. If you haven't done that yet, click on Change. I clicked on my external hard drive here, clicked on my new iTunes folder here, and says Choose. And then I say OK. Once that's done, iTunes will now know where to look for your new location for your music. If you're using an external hard drive, that external hard drive will have to be plugged in and turned on anytime you want to access the music. Otherwise, iTunes will come back and say it can't find the content. Again, if you have a huge file of music and movies, this is a great way to move it off your main hard drive and move it somewhere else. As always, make sure you have backups.